Hello, welcome back to the channel. What a glorious Wednesday afternoon we got here in Blackpool. So yeah, we're just going to go for a walk here and there, show you what's going on, do some people watching. Hope you're all doing well. Been a bit busy for a couple of days, so haven't had much chance to do a lot of walking. But yeah, I mean, I've still got things to do now, but I've got to come out anyway, so bring the camera with me, say hello to you lovely people. Yeah, what a gorgeous day. It's a bit noisy down here. We're in Albert Road, by the way. Just got another wander down here along the front. Yeah, it's just a Blackpool vlog today. Yeah, I need to get down to St Anne's and a few other places and show you around there, but it's a bit late in the day to start travelling. Say late in the day, I'm like that, I am. I always think 5 or 6 o'clock is the time to sit down in front of the TV, regardless of whatever the weather is. Yeah, a bit old-fashioned that way. 5, 6 o'clock's time to sit down. But yeah, this is Albert Road, which we have walked down here before, showed you the hotels. The Hollies there, that's part of that Georgian hotel. It's all one hotel, this. Sorry if you can't see it all, because really I need to stand in the middle of the road, but it's not always the best situation to be in, is walking down in the middle of the road. Anyway, on to the biggest hotel, bedroom hotel in Albert Road, is the Ruskin, which looks like their extension is open now. Do you remember I talked about that? I've been following them for a while. These two on the end, where you can see it slightly higher, that was 2 empty guest houses, B&Bs, and they brought them, and it's all open now, so it's all joined into one. I think originally this whole building was 4 hotels originally. But yeah, it's had an extension done in it, extra bedrooms. I think they got a games room eventually. Recruiting for staff. I've done my bit. I'll show you across the road here. Anybody that's thinking of staying in the Ruskin, I would recommend it. If you haven't been here before, I would recommend it. But yeah, you can see how popular it is today. I'll just walk through and show you it if you want. Just walk through and show you the area and reception. Yeah, it's all very nice in there.
You got the open door. For whatever you want, you got the open door. And what else? We don't really care for now, we just do a little session.
Yeah, there's a quick nose in there for you. I'm not going to say it's the cheapest hotel to stay in, but if you want something of quality but still close to the town, then I would recommend it. Yeah, and that's the Ruskin Hotel on Albert Road, and that's how close we are. There's Coral Island down there in front of me, Backlot Cinema, and that takes you into the main town. So yeah, really close to everything. And look at the state of this. And then we continue down Albert Road. Yeah, a lot of these are in a sorry state down here. That all this started with the decline of visitors. off to the late 70s and 80s when everybody went abroad. At one time these places would have been buzzing, as you're probably aware of that. But there's still a few people come and visit them. The times have moved forward, haven't they? People go abroad, people want different hotels now with more facilities. But it's a shame really, the traditional B&B is very much going away. I think all around the country people just want more facilities. I mean, the other big thing is car parking as well, isn't it, these days? In the 50s, the 60s, and even the 70s, people got on the train. I say they won't get on the train now, people. It's just everything's about convenience, isn't it? Anyway, that's enough about Albert Road. Nearly said Albert Square then. Albert Road and the hotels. Let's move forward. I must say, this Nero's Bar Fish and Chips looks very well presented, doesn't it? They've actually got a hotel as well, joining to it as well. You can find that if you need to book somewhere. Basic, but yeah, they always make the front of this look very nice, don't they? McDonald's, you know, they changed it all round. They've done it all up, changed it all round and everything, and they've got these boards on the windows, which to me looks like it's half closed, but it doesn't look very attractive. Murals. Is it murals the word I'm looking for? Need some murals painting on there. God, it's a bit warm, isn't it? I'm not complaining, but it's certainly warm right across the road. These days. We're not going down Central Drive today, but there's the Castle pub for any of you Castle fans. Yeah, for those of you that are getting a bit bored with the town videos, I do try and mix and match, and I will be getting out on some bus journeys in different places. Still continue to do the night ones around the clubs, pubs and bars, which was a playlist going back a few years on them if you like that sort of thing only. But let's continue our walk onto the front, shall we?
Doing this. Oh, you need to do this.
And yes, we are on the promenade, and I should have come out in a pair of shorts because it's horrendously hot. And that isn't a complaint, by the way. I've just come out wrongly dressed. I did do a full tour of the South Pier the other week. I will be doing one of North Pier soon. Yes, I need to stop coming out in the evenings, Mark, and sit in front of the TV. Mind you, half the time, while I'm sat in front of the TV, because the weather's been miserable. Get weather like this, yeah, I am going to be out at 8 o'clock at night. Don't I talk a lot, don't I? Yeah, Central Pier area here. This is all the Vauxhall area to the right hand side. I'm not going down there today, but you can see where we are, and you can see that the Stanley showboat there, that building, that road down the right hand side of it, that's where you get your £1 burgers. If you're still not sure, go and see Chris and you get £1 burger. And I believe he's doing a 5-stack burger at a very, very good price. Right, let's get across the road, get on the beach and walk along there. Oh, this is more like it, isn't it? The weather, people about, loud music, you've got to love it, haven't you? You remember when we used to sing Pleasure Beach over there in the distance. Well, yeah, we're on the beach. Look at this. Feel so lucky to have this on my doorstep. Even in the winter months it's nice, believe it or not, if that makes sense to some of you. Let's just hope this weather continues now. Look at it. Donkeys there. Oh, wow, I'm so glad I've come out. Look how far I am now. So far I'm out. We are right out past Central Pier now. And there's this Central Pier at the end. Yep, that's as far as I can get to now with my clothes on and my shoes on. Right, I shall leave the beach scene now. Hopefully I haven't overdone it, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. A few jockeys about on a Wednesday. Weatherspoons looks full up. Oh, excuse me. A lot of fancy dress going on for a midweek Wednesday, isn't there? Yeah, there's definitely some colour out and about today, isn't there, in Blackpool again? Wait till we get through. Good reviews about this Eat Indian place, takeaway place. Yeah, good reviews for it opened. I know there's a few around in the northwest. There's one in Preston, which is very popular as well. That's my phone going again. I'm going to have to stop now in case it's important. Yeah, just a little bit of Church Street. Another cheap shop open there. Robert? Yeah, mate. Vintro Lounge, dog friendly. Anybody that's interested. I'm just up at Cedar Square now. I remember going in this pub years and years ago, the Cedar Tavern. Been closed for so long now, and then plans were meant to be happening and never went ahead. Lovely old building. And we've got Abingdon Street Market back entrance there for you. Right, I'm going to leave the video there because I'm carrying a large parcel and I'm struggling a little bit to hold everything. So I hope you enjoyed that walk around Blackpool on this very, very sunny Wednesday afternoon. But before I go, I'll tell you what the time is. Yeah, approaching 5 o'clock. So yeah, thanks for that. I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, we will be getting some different content coming out, but just to give you an update what's going on in Blackpool, I've just posted this for you, and I'll catch you all again soon. And thank you all very much for watching my channel and subscribing. Catch you again soon.